Hey guys, have you ever wanted a web page to do something automatically without you having to fill out the same information and clicking on the same button over and over again? Today, we will learn about how to auto-trigger an event on the web page and interact with it using JavaScript rather than having to use your mouse to manually clicking on a button to trigger that event. Let's start. So here we are having this girlfriend button. And if you click on it, it's gonna console log this question. Do you love me? So obviously you are having like a needy girlfriend here. So every time you click on it, it's gonna console log, do you love me? So what if you want this console log to auto trigger without you having to manually clicking on this button every single time? Of course we can do that with JavaScript. First, we will grab this DOM element. So as you see, there's like an ID of girlfriend. So let's get it by using this ID. Const girlfriend equal to document query selector, and then passing in girlfriend ID. Okay, now we got this DOM element. Now let's create an event. So const girl, so this event is called do you love me event. Asking do you love me. So we create this event by using the event constructor, and this event is triggered by click. So we pass in click event. Cool. Next, we will use the DOM element we grab. So which is girlfriend dot dispatch. So we can trigger this event by using the dispatch function and then passing in do you love me event. So we use this. So just think of it as, oh, girlfriend is doing something, is doing an action. Girlfriend asking, do you love me? So this is the girlfriend DOM element, and then using this function dispatch event to trigger a event which is do you love me click event. Now let's start by running the code and see if it works. Run. Oh, now this console log is showing do you love me automatically without needing me to manually click on this button to trigger this event. So let me clear the console and comment out this code. See, if I run this without this code, there will be no console log. I had to click on this button in order to trigger this console log. But if I uncomment this and run the code, now this console log gets auto triggered without needing me to manually click on this button to trigger the code. Yay! But we are not done here. We can also create custom event and trigger the custom event using this dispatch event function. We can start by create a custom event called I love you, and we can use the same event constructor, but now this time we can pass in like a custom event. It can be anything. So for example, I can pass in love, and then we will ask this girlfriend object to listen for this event. So girlfriend.add event listener. And then we can pass in love, listen for this love event. And then pass in a callback function. So when this love event gets triggered, we will console.log telling people I love you. Yahoo! Now, this girlfriend will listen for this love event. We can dispatch. We can trigger this love event by using this girlfriend dot dispatch event. We will dispatch this love event. Woohoo! So now, if I comment out this, so you won't be confused by multiple events that's happening. We will clear the console and then we will run the code. See? Now this love event gets triggered. This girlfriend is listening to this love event and then I'm triggering this love event using the code. Woohoo! And then it's showing I love you in the console. So with this dispatch event function, you can auto trigger events without having to manually clicking on a button. And you can also dispatch a custom event you created. I hope you guys learned something today. See you next time.